Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some Christmas decorations. So I've got these Christmas moulds that I recently just purchased. So we've got the stocking, the bauble, the Christmas tree, and then I've got these snowflakes. So what I've done is I'm just prepping some products to put in them as to how I want to colour them up. So I've got like these little silicone cupcake holders. So what I've done in them is I'm just prepping some mixture ready to pour the resin in. So this is just a mixture of some gold glitter, and then I'll be adding the resin in that, and that's going to be for the bauble. For the Christmas tree, I've put in some green mica powder. So I've put in a mixture of these two and then some green glitter, and that's for the Christmas tree. So obviously I'll be adding the clear resin to that. For the stocking, I've put in a mixture of these two mica powders and then some fine gold glitter, and that's going to be for the stocking. And then for the snowflakes, I recently just got these two pigments, and these are from AliExpress. This is a colour shifting one, and I think this is just like a chrome one, and I'm going to paint those into, using the applicator that comes with it, paint it into the mould and then just pour the clear resin directly in. So I'll just do that, and then we'll get the resin mixed up and we'll start pouring and see. Okay, so it's time to demould these Christmas decorations. They've been 24 hours. So let's start off with this bauble. This was the one that I done with the gold glitter. So we'll demould these, and these are really easy to get out because they're thin moulds. And there it is, that is so sparkly. It's got the hole there. That bit was with a bit of clear that I did. It's got the hole ready for the ribbon. And I think that looks great. There's the back side. We'll put some ribbon on that and make that into a bauble. So that's that one. Let's do the stocking next. So this was with the red mica, and then we did some gold fine glitter in there that you can see. That's come out nice too. Just the gold is very subtle, but it's still present. I think that looks great. Just pop those there so you can see them. Let's do the Christmas tree. So this was the green mica, 2 green mica powders and some green glitter in there. So let's get this out. And there's the hole in the corner, so you'd hang it from there. That looks great too. That side is a darker green than on that side, but still I think it looks good. And then the snowflakes, so these we done with it was like a chrome sort of shift pigment. So we'll see how these come out. This was a lot thinner mould, so it was a lot trickier to pour this. Wow, that's come out really pretty. That's the first snowflake. This one I did the shifting powder on the side, and then I did the silver in the middle. And that's come out really pretty as well. And these snowflakes I'm going to do in all sorts of colours. That's come out really good effect as well. And then this one I did all in the silver chrome. So let's get it out. Wow. So the chrome didn't quite go to all the tips, but still I think it creates the look, and I still think it looks good. And there's the underside. Yeah, I think they look great, these ones. These are the snowflakes. So now all we need to do is just add on a bit of string to turn them into their baubles, and they're all done. I just wanted to show you these, the clean out of these. So this is where I mixed the colours for these moulds. So I used these silicone cupcake holders. So the reason I wanted to use silicone to mix these is when it comes to the cleaning, they will literally just peel out like that. These bits of powder, you can just use a wipe or just wash them under the tap, but they will just wipe out. But there's something satisfying just about peeling these out. I thought you might like to just see that. Something satisfying about that. I wonder if you could use these for something. I wonder if anyone does. And then the cup. So this is a silicone spatula as well. That just peels off. That's just peeling off. And then it's in the cup as well. and that'll all just come out. Look at that. To finish off these pieces, I've got this ribbon that I picked up from Poundland, so obviously £1 each, and I've got it in the gold, I've got it in red and in the silver. So this was in the Christmas wrapping paper section, and literally just going to select some of the string, and it's 3 meters, and I'm going to tie it to my decoration. So there they all are on with their bits of string on. So I did all different colours. So I mean, you could be more precise and ensure that all the strings are cut to the same size. But on my little snowflakes, I've done the silver string. So they're there hanging. I did the gold on the green tree. Here's the black stocking that I did sort of off camera, or the one that I showed you quickly, although it doesn't have the glitter on the back, but hey, that was a practice one. The gold with the gold string, another snowflake, and then here was the other bauble I did, but again it had the misty mica powder on the back, so it didn't come out as glittery on the back. But that's that one. But I'm really pleased with how they've come out. I'm gonna keep creating more Christmas decorations for the lead up to Christmas. If you've got any ideas of how to colour these Christmas decorations, then pop them down below and I'll try them out. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.